Hi, my name is Angie, and I'm currently in Billings, Montana. I work as an addiction counselor for a long-term treatment center for women and their children. Um, in my past, I have also worked with mental health in an outpatient setting. A majority of the clients that have substance use problems have also had co-occurring disorder of mental health, most commonly depression and anxiety, and personality disorders as well. And I started out my career as a substance use counselor after I graduated with my bachelor's, working at the state hospital. So a majority was mental health. But again, I worked in the substance use disorder unit. So that's some of my experience that I have had with mental health disorders. My beliefs about mental health diagnoses. I feel that um, they can be treated. Whether that be medication, counseling, social support, family support, um, different types of programs that are available. We have substance use. It's like an AA. It's called SMART. So they get help with substance use disorders as well as symptoms of mental health. Um, I participate currently in making diagnoses out of the DSM-5, primarily and only with substance use disorders. I'm not licensed to diagnose anybody with a mental health disorder, as I'm ob obtaining my master's degree for that. So I use the DSM to go through the criteria for a meeting for mild, moderate, or severe substance use disorder. So that's a little background about me. I'm excited to meet everybody, and I'm really excited to be in this class. Thanks, everybody.